Here's how to invest in an ETF in under 60 seconds on the Betashares Direct app. Once I've opened the app and logged in, I'm taken to the home page. From here, I press the Invest tab at the bottom of the screen. Today I'll be investing in the NASDAQ 100 ETF. I'll type in NDQ, which is the ASX ticker code for the fund. This page has a bunch of detailed information, including price and return charts, the sector breakdown and top holdings, as well as recent distributions. But today, I'm just focusing on buying the ETF. To invest, I'll hit the Buy button. Once I'm on the Buy page, I can choose how much I want to invest from my cash wallet and also the order type. I'll keep it simple and just buy $100 of NDQ at the market price. Once the details are confirmed, I just slide to place the buy order. And it's that simple. I now own $100 worth of NDQ. You can get Betashares Direct on Android, iOS, and web by visiting the link in the bio.